Hi everyone, this is Norbipol TV. Welcome to Make Passive Income 2025. Hope you have LinkedIn in your phone. If you don't have, please install it in your phone. Do you know if you have the LinkedIn account which have 500 plus connections, you can earn $150 per month? Check me in my WhatsApp group through the link in the description. I will provide the information for free. But apart from that, I will add some more ways to make money by LinkedIn. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel. Making money through LinkedIn in 2025 is all about leveraging your expertise, personal brand, and network. Here are effective ways to monetize LinkedIn right now. 1. Offer high-ticket services. What it means: if you're a freelancer, coach, consultant, or agency owner, you can use LinkedIn to attract premium clients. How it works: optimize your LinkedIn profile like a sales page. Headline equals your offer, about section equals your story plus authority. Post regularly, give value, share insights, case studies, and client results. Use direct messages for relationship building, not hard selling. Jump on strategy calls, rightward arrow, close deals. Example content idea: 3 profile changes that helped me land a $3,000 client through LinkedIn. 2. LinkedIn ghostwriting/content creation. What it means: many professionals want to be active on LinkedIn, but don't know how or don't have time, so they pay someone else to do it. How it works: offer services to write posts, articles, carousels, and comments for them. Target founders, executives, coaches, etc. Share writing samples or mock posts. Offer monthly content packages. Example 12 posts for $1,000/month. Example content idea: how to start a LinkedIn ghostwriting side hustle, even with 0 followers. 3. LinkedIn affiliate marketing. What it means: promote other people's products or tools and earn a commission for each sale. How it works: pick a niche, AI tools, SaaS, productivity tools, etc. Sign up for affiliate programs, Jasper, Notion, HubSpot, etc. Create educational or storytelling style posts showing how you use them. Drop affiliate links in the comments or in DMs. Example content idea: made $347 from a single LinkedIn post. Here's how affiliate marketing works in 2025. 4. Sell digital products or courses. What it means: package your knowledge into something people can buy instantly, like ebooks, Notion templates, or short courses. How it works: build trust through content that solves problems. Identify a common pain point. Create a simple digital product. Example LinkedIn content planner for coaches. Promote it in posts and on your profile. Example content idea: turn your LinkedIn content into a digital product, step-by-step breakdown. 5. Lead generation for businesses. What it means: help other businesses get leads, aka potential customers, through LinkedIn outreach or strategy. How it works: pick an industry, recruitment, SaaS, marketing agencies, etc. Use LinkedIn tools like Sales Navigator or Apollo to find prospects. Send personalized outreach DMS or manage their profile/content. Charge monthly for results. Example content idea: how to make $2K/month doing LinkedIn outreach for small businesses. 6. Host webinars or paid workshops. What it means: teach a specific skill via a live session or Zoom training and charge attendees. How it works: promote your webinar through LinkedIn posts or a lead magnet. Offer a free workshop to build trust or a paid one for advanced training. You upsell a course, consulting package, or template at the end. Example content idea: how I made $1,200 from a 60-minute LinkedIn workshop, and how you can too. 7. LinkedIn ads strategy/consulting. What it means: help businesses run effective LinkedIn ad campaigns to generate leads or build brand awareness. How it works: learn how LinkedIn ads work, video views, lead gen forms, website visits. Help clients with copy, audience targeting, and strategy. Create a portfolio of case studies or mock campaigns. Charge for campaign setup plus monthly management. Example content idea, running LinkedIn ads for clients, pricing, strategy, and what works in 2025. 8. Become a LinkedIn influencer/creator, what it means, build a personal brand, grow an audience, and monetize through brand partnerships or digital offers. How it works, pick a niche and be consistent with posting, use storytelling, tips, and personal experiences. Engage with other creators to grow faster. Pitch brand deals, promote products, or create your own offers. Example content idea, what LinkedIn creators are doing in 2025, and how you can join them. Hope you learn some ways to earn money. But the simplest way to get money through LinkedIn, please click the link from my description. You will join direct to my WhatsApp group and you will learn more for free. This is NorBipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Thank you.